great to see some Silent Hill 2 remake news hit over the state of play. I'm gonna jump right into it. I gotta tell you, I haven't seen the trailer. I haven't seen the new trailer, and I haven't seen the new gameplay. We're gonna jump into both of those, and we'll look at this together. But I gotta tell you, people, the YouTube comments. I scoped the comments out, and they are ripping on this game, and they're ripping on the devs over at the Blooper team. And let's just jump into it right over here. Okay, if you like these videos, like and subscribe. Almost at 2,000 subs, but let's take a look. This is via IGN. IGN's not that bad. Silent Hill 2 Remake gets brand new trailer and release date ahead of transmission stream. The transmission stream, they show like 15 minutes of gameplay, and we'll like I said, we'll check that out, but we'll scrub through it. Transmission stream State of Play 2024. So the release is October. The release is actually October. Oh boy, 7th, 8th. Well, let me look before I give you fake news. October 8th, 2024. Okay. So let's take a look here. Silent Hill 2 Remake is still on the horizon and inching closer by the day, with brand new trailer today during the PlayStation Showcase, revealing a new trailer and confirmation that will be released up October 8th. PC and PS5. Oof, Xbox guys. You guys are getting elbowed here. The new trailer showed off another look at gameplay. We previously learned that Silent Hill 2 Remake will use third-person over-the-shoulder camera perspective as an Evil remakes. Excuse me. We also saw a glimpse of monsters that appear in the original Silent Hill 2, most notably Abstract, which can be seen towards the end of the trailer. Well, we're going to see that in a few. Silent Hill 2 Remake was first confirmed in 2022, developed by Blooper Team with Konami's blessing. We've since learned that the story will remain the same based on the original, which gave it back a 9 out of 10 back in the day, of course, because IGN doesn't give 10s to anything unless it's a virtue signaling. But I digress. But visually and technologically, the game is being fully remade, including at least one significant character redesign and seamless gameplay. Who's the character redesign? Oh, the main character. Yeah, it's fine. I prefer the original look of him, but this is fine. Let's take a look here. Let's skim through these slideshows. Gosh, I love slideshows. And I'm saying that very like I can't. I'm not a fan. Oof, that's looking pretty rough. Don't like that. It's running on the Unreal Engine. I mean, this looks good. There's something about, maybe it's the hair. See, and this is where we're getting into. Did she originally look this bad? I don't know. I just terribly below average looking character. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. At least make them average. I mean, environments look really good here. Yeah, okay. Great screenshot, IGN. I see what you did there. I don't know. I'm getting kind of PS4 vibes, unfortunately, from this, but let's keep moving forward. Alongside a release date and a glimpse of gameplay, Silent Hill fans can also look forward to the Silent Hill Transmission livestream, which again has 15 minutes of gameplay. And they have links to roundup for more on today's State of Play. I just encourage you guys to watch the State of Play on your own, have your personal opinion about it. But hey, let's check out the official trailer from the State of Play. It's a minute 50. Yes, I'm much older than that by a couple 2 trees. We'll see if use the audio here. Turn this.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry. I was just.
It's okay.
Yeah, the facial animations are a little bit stiff.
I'm looking for Silent Hill.
I think you should stay away. This town, there's something wrong with it?
Is it dangerous?
I do love the
Maybe.
original theme of Silent
I'll
Hill.
be careful.
It's just
I'm not
a
lying.
really good,
I
really
don't
good
really care
music.
if it's dangerous or not.
Lighting wise, everything seems fine.
I'm going.
Environments seem fine. It's just like the characters look a little weird.
No, you shouldn't be here.
Maybe I'm jaded, but I'm not feeling terrified right now. I'm not feeling scared. It's actually feeling very much like Resident Evil 5, where they're in Africa. Which that game didn't really scare me much. Resident Evil 4 was a little
I'll
different.
be good, I promise. Tell him I'll be good, please.
We're getting a glimpse here of Pyramid Head. See, now it's starting to get, now it's getting it. Now that was intense. For me. Not like intense, but like, okay. October 8th, 2024. PS5 and PC Master Race. Steam. I will be playing it off of Steam. But let's check out some clips of the gameplay from have it juiced up here a little. But what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to kind of just scrub through this. Best I could do for quality was 1080p because they were streaming this.
I got a
I think
letter.
really stream anything more than that.
Name on the envelope
Um,
said Mary.
But let's just kind of scrub through it. See how it's playing here a little bit. Reflections look good. His walk looks good. Animation looks good. If you see how he runs in the original Silent Hill 2, you're like, did they really mean it to look like that?
Is this?
Yeah, it looks good. What's going on here? I mean, you're running a game through the Unreal Engine, so it's going to look good. It's hard for a game not to look good in the Unreal Engine because, I mean, you know, when I've worked in the engine, you know, just a couple tweaks in the lighting, it's such a powerful, somewhat, dare I say, easy tool. Like I said, to make something look really good. If you know how to do texture, blueprints. Right, we get the video. Scrub a bit more here. Runs into the first enemy. Okay, you get your first weapon. We'll look here at the combat. Alright, so there's a dodge mechanic. Nice. That's going to help. Alright, nice. What else we got going here? Atmosphere looks fine. The fog looks really good.
What? Hey, wait!
And again, I'm only scrubbing because, you know, when we get this game, we're gonna be playing through all this, right? So I don't want to ruin everything.
Where did she go?
I don't know.
They changed her character design up a little bit too. I actually really liked her original look. Oh, the hospital. What they got going on? The lighting looks good. This looks good. All right, that's all I'm gonna show. But what I want to see is, let's see what people have. And I love reading these comments because these people are just freaking miserable. You know what I mean? Let's see here. Wasn't impressed with previous trailers, but walking through the town looks atmospheric and creepy, which has got me more optimistic. That's good. Whoever's in charge of the music did a great job. I agree. I'm optimistic for this. The atmosphere, sound design, voice acting is really impressing me. Looking forward to getting my hands on it, try it out for myself. Combat looks better than the previous trailer. So these are looking really good. The comments, though, from this article. The comments I saw earlier in this article, man, they were pretty rough. Okay, now after watching the transmission live stream trailer for Silent Hill 2, which showed 15 minutes of butt, I like the character models, the animations, and everything. And James and the monsters are a bit janky, some really janky LOL. But Silent Hill was never a looker, especially compared to Resident Evil. And I remember them. And you go back and play the first Silent Hill on PS1. It's rough, but you get used to it, and the game is still fantastic. Just takes a little while to acclimate to how rough the first one was. But I'm not going to read all of that. Let's see what's the comments from that comment. Thinking you're confusing what you mean by looks. It's a little ridiculous that they can't clean this up, look like a proper current gen game when Konami owns the Fox engine that the demo of Kojima's Silent Hills used, which made a damn good use of making disturbing imagery. This guy brings up a very good point. Was it the Fox engine when they did that demo? For that's on the PS4. Was that on the PS4 at this point? Oh man, were you going through the house? If you got this far, leave a comment and let me know what that. Oh, PT. It was PT. Still leave a comment if you guys. Still leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think of PT and the fact that those consoles are selling ridiculously overpriced on eBay just because it has the demo. Anyways, here's one more. We'll do a couple more. Those graphics look rough. I was hoping for something on par with Resident Evil 4 Remake, but this looks like another 7 out of 10 from Blooper Team. Also, they did Angela dirty with those thick eyebrows. You gotta love the internet. Someone rebuttals. I'm sorry, did we watch the same trailer? They looks amazing. How does this game look that bad and not? How does this game look this bad and not scary? What are you even talking about? This one, incoming disaster confirmed. This is the worst. I don't know. I honestly, if I don't think it looks that bad. After this more recent trailer, I will say that it looks a lot better. I think this game, I just hope is great. People want to rip on Blooper. Blooper's never really put out anything bad, but they've never really put out anything avant-garde, say, Spirit of the Day. They did a game, it's called Observer. I really liked Observer. Observer was a fantastic game. 4 or 5 hour game, but I really, really enjoyed it. I don't think it was a bad game at all. So, but what do you guys think? I encourage you guys to check out the new trailer on your own and come up with your own opinions. I'm hyped for this. Silent Hill. Survival horror games are my favorite genre. Silent Hills, I own all the original ones. They're one of my favorite games of all time. Resident Evils, I own all those. One of my favorite games of all time. I'm kind of hyped for it. Does this game look that bad? Are you not that hyped for it? Are you disappointed by the gameplay and the mechanics? Let me know down below. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate you guys watching. Some news. Be nice to each other, all right?